Well, here we are again. Replacing fence posts. I have no idea what I'm doing. That one is... Oh, that bit. Perfect. Mamma mia, papa mia. I put screws on the outside years ago. Get this board going sideways, holding it up. And well, it held up for a couple years. Me to the moon. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Beautiful. Lovely. I hope I have enough extra pickets for this thing. Oh. That one's holding on pretty good. 1 out of 7 ain't bad. Oh, I got some more up here. Okay. Perfect. Got some more here. Ooh. Oh, got another one on the other side. That guy's not coming out. Beautiful morning, man. Beautiful morning. This post is garbage anyway. Okay. Get the big dog. Time to get the big dog. Well, okay. Should just get a cutoff wheel and cut those suckers. Some good nails, man. Those are some really good nails. Hey. Beautiful. Okay. That was fun. Yeah, I couldn't even get to this crazy thing. Well, the screws are holding up very nice too. This thing is made great. Everything held up except for the bottom of the post. Perfect. Oof. You gotta keep it steady. Ooh, wiggly. Wiggly piggly. You. Okay. Perfect. And I got nails everywhere. So the plan is to do this as cheap as humanly possible. I already have an old metal post, and I'm just gonna dig right next to it and run some boards across. I know I should pull the old one out, but that's, I feel like that would be a great job for the next guy. Perfect opportunity for the next guy. Let me get These things are just full of nails. Full. F-U-L. Full. Old back and forth action. There we go, baby. Come on, baby. You know you want to come out of there. You know you want to come out of there. Oh. Don't drop them. You only got Crocs on. Bunch of Torx T25 screws and a bunch of nails and one Phillips. It's like the United Nations of screws and nails, fasteners. Wow, was easy. Probably never use that again. I don't know what happened to the Phillips that came with this thing. Yeah. Okay. So I got the post out. That's big. And see, it's just completely rotten. Completely rotten. It's crazy because the fence is fine, other than being old and gross. Now it's damaged for me. I mean, it's got a bunch of rot here, but I'll just put me a little post right here. Yeah, that's where it was. And I'll just put it right there next to it. And then run some boards. I got this metal post here. Ding, ding, ding. guy with these brackets. See, these other ones went out. This guy. Somebody needs to weed eat. This guy. This guy. And then those are all rotten, but I did a wooden fence. But anyway, I highly recommend doing the metal. Oh, I had to do that one too. It rained the other day, so it should be, I would think it'd be fairly soft. Let me get you guys in here. I'm trying to figure out where that
I know everybody pulls like concrete out, but nobody comes there. Yeah, it doesn't look the greatest, but I don't mind.
Oh, I wish I had one of those power augers. Ooh. I'm sick. Just like that. Alright, a little concrete. Ready to roll. Well, what in the hell? Oh, that's a big mama. Good night.
What? Manual labor. Well, that's not as soft as I thought it was going to be.
Barely getting anything out of there. Barely 6 inches.
That's fun. Boy, howdy, that's fun. It's a beautiful moment.
What a workout. Arms, back, legs, total body, total body. Total body, core, brain, total body.
Boy, it's nice and soft. You just scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Da-da-da-da, scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop your hole. Scoop your hole. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Boy, that is just tough. Total body. Ping on the X stuff right there, baby. Hello. There's another nail in there.
Hope we don't hit a pipeline. Oh, good gas line. I don't think we're quite there yet. Let's drop it in. They were pretty close. I can adjust these. Actually, that wouldn't be bad right there. Seven o'clock on the dime. So I got the post in there. I mean, it's in there, but it's not in there. You know what I'm saying? A beautiful day. Beautiful day to work on a little fence work. Yeah. That was a good workout. Didn't work out this morning. That's it. I don't know. How do you guys feel about putting the post right next to a already set post? I had a neighbor that did one years ago, but it's on this side. I feel like if it's on this side with me, because I'm looking at it, I mean, it's not horrible. I just did this one probably a month ago. I need to cut the top. Well, here we are again.